Alex Ferguson. Sir Alex, please.
Normally in a game, cup final, or a big game like that, it's always difficult to choose a man of the match. So many good players on the field, but Cristiano tonight made it easy for me. Thank you. And I say, of course, they did well. They play good, and they are fantastic players. I say thank you to Sir Alex Ferguson to give me this trophy. For me, it means a lot because he was the coach who, teach me many things when I was in Manchester, 18 years of age. So I appreciate it and thank you for giving me this trophy. And the other thing, he asked me what I say to Bet on the end of the game. I say I didn't say nothing special. We just speak about something about our private life. And Bet is a very good friend of mine and is a fantastic teammate. So I say that I scored 2 goals to him today, that I win and I'm a fair winner.
No, el equipo ha hecho un buen partido, sobre todo considerando que no hemos tenido mucho tiempo para prepararlo. Entonces, el partido salió bien, hemos tenido un buen control del juego. Los dos, Toni Kroos ha jugado muy bien, sin problema. James ha tenido más problema de Kroos en la primera parte, la segunda parte lo ha hecho bien como Kroos. La suerte de entrenar una plantilla fantástica, es claro que... No, creo que el estilo no ha cambiado comparándolo al año pasado. Después se puede utilizar más o menos la contra, depende mucho de cómo sale el partido. Kroos ha jugado en la misma posición de Xabi Alonso con los mismos objetivos, que era lo de tocar el balón, de intentar cuando teníamos la posibilidad de utilizar la velocidad de los delanteros para competir en todas las competiciones. Cristiano, the performance of Cristiano was fantastic. He was the match winner of the game, the best player on the pitch. He resolved the match with 2 fantastic goals, and also he played really well all the time.